TSMC's HPC dedicated process technology, introducing TSMC's N4X technology and its empowerment for high-performance computing. Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing industry enjoys a prestigious reputation globally, and Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, is the frontrunner in this domain. As a top-tier semiconductor manufacturing enterprise worldwide, TSMC has been continuously advancing on the path of technological innovation, especially in the increasingly crucial field of high-performance computing, HPC. Data from the third quarter of 2023 show that the sales proportion of high-performance computing reached an impressive 42%, illustrating TSMC's significant standing in this key area and the fruits of its efforts. TSMC's financial presentations further highlight the company's ongoing endeavors to enhance chip performance and efficiency, as well as its central role in advancing the global semiconductor industry. In this regard, TSMC's N4X technology is considered a crucial milestone, showcasing not only TSMC's technical prowess but also its profound understanding and focus on the high-performance computing market. TSMC's N4X technology is a new process technology specifically designed for high-performance computing applications. Through this technology, chips can operate at ultra-high voltage to achieve higher frequencies, thereby offering new possibilities for HPC design. The N4X technology not only possesses low power consumption characteristics but also provides high performance, making it an ideal choice for servers, artificial intelligence, and big data processing among other high-performance computing applications. The emergence of this technology has made TSMC an indispensable participant in the global HPC market, providing partners with a strong and reliable technical platform to meet their growing high-performance computing needs. Certainly, TSMC's N4X technology has also attracted the attention and collaboration of many world-renowned technical companies. For instance, AMD, NVIDIA, and Intel, companies with significant influence in the high-performance computing market, have all become important partners of TSMC. Through these collaborations, TSMC can not only utilize its advanced process technology to provide partners with high-performance server CPU chips but also drive further development and innovation in the HPC market. TSMC's financial presentations clearly demonstrate that these collaborations have not only fortified TSMC's position in the HPC market but also provided strong technical support to its partners, further showcasing TSMC's leading position and influence in the global semiconductor industry. With the rapid advancement of technology, there is no doubt that TSMC's N4X technology will continue to propel the progress of the HPC market in the future. We can look forward to seeing more innovative products and solutions utilizing TSMC's N4X technology to meet the ever-growing global high-performance computing demands. Through continuous technological innovation and market collaboration, TSMC is striving to provide more and better solutions for the global high-performance computing market. TSMC's financial presentations and its strong performance in the third quarter of 2023 once again showcase TSMC's leading position in semiconductor manufacturing and high-performance computing, as well as its profound impact on global technological innovation and industrial development. In the future, TSMC's N4X technology and its leading position in the high-performance computing market are bound to continue making significant contributions to the development of the global semiconductor industry and the high-performance computing market.